ATM, Uber almost I have to pay this guy. I don't know why this guy again and PayPal. When you Capitec app.
You must get with the program.
Bro, where's the business? You know, we business cash, gonna PayPal. So dilinde nikimali yakhe ndo drop ATM and then this guy comes in. Ngene line in yam. Konde size ngicapkisa. Where's ke mjiji akanamlenze. La kulimele. Afihleka manje. Yangicapkisa. Akana lo kona khali trip akahle. Kona manje imsizele bro. Yabo akatsho nakumba esetabe ndilapha yabo ezawe ba dingene ufike ndilapha khange unibone uyafika nje. Khani ijonga lento. Can't kona manje miyeke because there's only one thing umntu ongenamlenze that he can do in front of the ATM and that is to check his balance.
I was not expecting that. Like, you caught me off guard, dude. I'm so sorry. I'm not laughing because we don't have. Yeah. Hi. I was not expecting that. Oh, you literally made me laugh. I needed that. I actually needed that. Like, yeah. Because Sana, I'm not gonna lie, my energies are a bit on the down today, but you know what? Yeah, but man be cool people, so I needed that. Dude, like our president. Oh, our president. There isn't our president. President, yeah, youth.
Oh my
so
God,
sad. Like
yeah.
president, yeah, Julia.
The fighter.
No, guys, that's our president.
The sad part is this whole thing, but I guess it proves in Dogbana we all have to be responsible. The whole thing started in 2018, bro.
That's my chat, but maybe I get any actually long. Why
Yeah,
now?
bro.
You know what I think? Trump. Emotive got Trump. I feel like somewhere, somehow, yes, Trump has something to do with it because I get him was when they were claiming that these ones were being abused and killed in the country. He asked about Julius Malema, why isn't he arrested because of that song? Yes, kill them. And then he explained that it's our war cry as Black people. Those are the songs that our ancestors used to sing. It doesn't mean literally.
Yeah,
that's what
yeah,
they
yeah,
get.
but
It's
yeah,
yes, it
we
was
are
the war
coming
cry.
for them.
We are coming for them. So now it was a matter of they were celebrating EFF something.
Yeah,
birthday. I can't
EFF rally.
Yes,
Eastern
in 2018. And then he literally shot the one bullet up in the air. Guys, there are so many other serious things that we should be worrying about. Yeah. Serious crimes. For example, we still haven't had justice for Kwekwe. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But
That's the focus, Nancy. So do you think it's a diversion? They're trying to, because I know a lot of topics is focus so they move us away from the actual. Because I remember in the USA after the assassination of the guy, the politician. Yeah. Shortly after, then started the war against Ireland or the American Iran. I think it's a diversion. They're trying to make us look the other way while they are busy with.
Oh, I never thought about it like that, but that's a good point. I think so.
But I feel you on the Kwekwe. There are many situations. I mean,
Julius is not dangerous, guys. Literally. Economic freedom fight.
But they've granted him like leave to appeal for.
Oh, and did you hear his speech?
He's not arrested immediately.
Did you hear his speech afterwards? He's like, "Hey man, I don't want to see that white lady again. I'm so sorry. I don't want to see that white lady again."
Yeah, apparently he even waved.
He even waved like he said, "Bye bye," because I'm taking this to higher courts. I'm gonna appeal. I don't want to see you. You don't know what you're doing because he believes that she made the decision based off of emotion.
Oh.
So he's like, I'm gonna.
And you guys have been accused a lot of time. Go handle
Who's you guys? Females.
Yeah, females. Go handle situations and their emotions.
Good.
It's also the same place. No, but I'm just saying, women are emotional beings.
Yes.
Like in nature.
You guys, Nina, you guys lead with logic. We lead with emotion. It's how we are programmed. Unfortunately, or fortunately, because I think it balances. But anyways,
Yeah, Rikeni, Rikaufela, we are here. Welcome home. It's the Cool People podcast, ladies and gentlemen. If you are watching this, you have found yourself a new home. How now, my Audimu Litlasi, and I'm your host. Host the Prince King, Udidi Wezaza
Culture.
And as always, as you can hear already,
he's
I'm
not alone.
I'm with my co-pilot.
Yes, the one and only.
Co-pilot.
Hello, cool people. It's your girl here, Younger Maka, on your screens, and I am here to stay. Anyways, I'd like to welcome our new subscribers because currently we are on 100 subscribers.
Let's go.
Woo!
I'm happy.
Oh, breaks my ding. Okay, clap. Yes, it's celebration. Well done, guys. I'm so proud of us. We did really well. Thank you so much for getting us to 100 subscribers. Next, we are going to 200 until, and then we're going to go on and on and on and on and on until we reach a K. Even Alapa, it's only up from here, basically.
It's only testament Kundu Bana. Whenever you feel like start, bro.
Exactly.
That business idea that you want to start,
Love that.
please don't listen to Bomar Bari or whatever the case is. You understand? Abantu abamnyama sinaela we yoba nani niqala podcast. Kanti we don't question amaSomali anxa bevula iziphaza ba now unespaza uyahamba uyothenga la nyama yabo ithinthini yaziyo nami. So whatever idea you have, iqale mnganami please ndiyacela. Please. Slowly but surely you
yes.
get there.
With that being said, please guys, in order to continue to support us, please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those good things. We love hearing from you guys in the comments. Like, we actually read your comments. Please comment, like, engage. Questions, if you want us to ask you, if you want to ask us questions, rather,
even
put
those
them
difficult
there.
ones.
Yes, guys, we are family here. We're cool people. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, do the right thing. I'm getting in jail for free. Don't be haters, man.
Mood your inspiration. You maybe have a word of the day for
I
them.
actually do. Oh my gosh. That got me so excited. I actually do. I wrote it down. I was listening to something this morning. It says, you can't be the same person your whole life. If you're not changing, you're not growing. I love that. I was like, I was sitting there, you've changed. I'm supposed to change.
Yeah.
It means I'm evolving. I can't be the same person my whole life. You get what I'm saying?
To keep it in simple terms, kwabantwana abancinci xa udlala igame, there's level 1. You have to adjust to level 1, and then there's level 2 up until uyoyiclocka kuthiwa clock it. Okay, I'm just uyoyinterfere clock it again. Slap thina. If you were watching the previous episode,
you know where that comes from. Yeah,
I know what I'm talking about. My friend, you are looking amazing. You are looking gorgeous. I think OOTD, if you nature, each and every single time, dog.
I agree.
Yeah,
I
ladies
agree.
first.
Ladies first. I'll start with my hair. Something that I'm really proud of. I did my own hair for the first time. I watched like a few TikTok videos and I was like, you know what, instead of going to the salon, let me do my own hair. So I did it and we're here now. I look cute. Focus lines as go straight. Mind your business. And then I'm wearing, it's trenchy coat season. Got my coat, Mr. Price. This hoodie is from Shein. Leggings from Shein, socks Relay, and then Air Force ones. Yes.
Yeah.
You look nice too.
Thank you.
No, guys. I bought my Air Force. Guys,
by the way, the voice behind who brings guys, he always
He's so annoying. He's so annoying.
That's the first thing she told me. Before the shoot. Bro, look at me. I did my
hair for the first time.
Yeah. Proud of you, man.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. As for him, nake,
Who are you wearing? What are you
from
wearing?
the ntloko, the
Man
head,
in black.
itamsanga. Shout out Pro Child.
Let's
Shout out
go.
Pro Child. Good to Sebenzile. Speaking of Pro Child, he will have a listening section at Deluxe. Okay, he dropped an album, so he's now going to drop it Deluxe. So he
Check
can
him
listening
out.
session. Ezabakona. Let me quickly put you on. Get 30 May 2026 Africa. Yam.
Let's go.
Farm. I think Xhosa Wave is in a good place, man.
that's nice.
No Pro Child, bro. I'm happy. You understand?
And
So
the rest
yeah,
of the fit?
the rest of the feet, necklace, Daniel Willington,
Woo!
and then t-shirt, Zara. What else?
The watch.
The watch, Daniel Willington.
Let's go.
You understand?
Serious things.
And then
Jacket.
jacket yashiwenya uthi yami ndandihostile pha
So you stole it.
Yeah.
So he thieved it, everybody.
One
He
for
thieved it.
One for like the following day. Hey, Linyora, jacket yaka, daddy
Ngoba-
jacket.
Jacket.
So
He thieved the jacket.
shout out Vanika. Uzayibona okokuqala ke episode. And then
The pants.
H&M, shout out sneakers, Air Force ones.
These are not Air Force ones. These are definitely not Air Force ones.
What Jordans,
Jordan.
guys.
Yeah,
And-
yeah, I didn't know.
DM for prices.
2 for 2.3.
Yeah.
Push your business. Yeah,
Yeah, let's do it.
Push your business.
Anything ends Mali.
Please, do your thing. Please, man. What's on your mind, my nigger?
Yeah, man. CCD. For those who don't know, CCD stands for Cool Collected Discovery.
Yes.
Do you want to start?
What I discovered.
Mine is a bit long. Yeah, this week.
Okay.
Cool
What I-
Collected Discovery.
What I discovered this week, Brendan Dludlu and Shekinah dropped an Afro house song called Say Less. Called Say You Love Me. It sounds so nice. I think what a combination, what a collab.
Shekinah is been killing
Beautiful.
it.
Even with Brandon, like from Idol to what he's doing now. Lovely stuff. Love that.
Definitely.
And then another thing that guys, Durban Gogo, guys, cela singiqhwabele izandla.
For la way yake
24 hours session. She did amazing.
Yeah.
Well done, Sissy. Like,
yeah,
you're putting women on the game. Shout out.
Big shout out. Dimone Mwasatwa at some point.
There was someone curling
was
her
really
hair.
taking a toll on
Honestly,
her.
24 hours. Do you know what
That's a long time,
Because she
bro.
said we here in South Africa need to get in with the program because overseas they're already starting to do this. So, girl, like she's already focused on the future, but I'm not staying here.
Yeah.
I'm an international queen. And shout out to her,
Yeah,
Shem.
big
Like,
shout out. Was it for charity or it was just to
I actually couldn't tell you.
Like, you know,
Guys, please tell
or-
us what it was for in
Yeah,
the
just
comments
hope it was
if you
for
know.
a good cause at the
It
same
was,
time.
yeah,
Otherwise,
yeah.
we
Shout
highly
down.
respect you.
Yes.
Devin Cobb.
Those are my discoveries.
Yeah,
of the
okay,
week.
let's
Yours?
quickly hit mine.
Yes.
My OG Tallest Mo will be performing
Ooh.
Upper Ekapa. He's officially out of retirement. For those who don't know, Tallest Mo, he is one of our comedians up in South Africa. One of
Very
ukhona
funny
kwi-top
guy.
5 yami nguye Tallest Mo, Skhumba Hlophe, Tamsiana, Mpopops. I guess I can squeeze with Trevor, even though Trevor,
Not you saying squeeze. Like go Trevor, I'm just squeeze while
yeah,
you're
but
in.
I mean international.
I got you. I hear your point.
You understand? So yeah, Tallest Mo will be performer observatory window bizwa Crown Culture. Doors open at 7 p.m. They close at 9 p.m.
Yo.
Tickets are already available. It's his one-man show. He
Lovely
retired
stuff.
Sheila from the committee. Now he's back. Flavor.
Shout out to
And
Tallest
then
Mo.
my nigga Taurus Boom, my brother, he dropped a single titled "Get to Know Ya." He's in his R&B bag there as
Let's
always,
go.
singing for the ladies. Make sure you are marinated there. Whoever wants it gets it. It's a nice project. Make sure that you listen to it. And then Roscoe Steezy. This year is
The way
his
you got
year.
so
I think so.
excited. The way you got so excited.
My bra, yeah, Roscoe,
Yeah.
you are doing the most, my nigga. He dropped a single now, titled Akulalwa DJ Tando, featuring DJ Tando and Evans B. Art cover yalangoma. Guess one.
Who?
Our
Let
very
us know.
own Brixton.
Oh, shout out to my nigga!
Our very own
Shout out to
Brixton
my
leader.
nigga! If I could, I would turn the camera so you guys could see who Brace is. But like, we'll get there soon.
So proud, bro.
Yeah,
He's
well done,
representing
bro.
the cool people.
Let's
really.
go.
Yeah, so shout out Roscoe, and whoever laid a hand to the project. Just it's a beautiful project for Cape Town. And then this one has been out for quite some time.
Okay.
Lo-Fi dropped an album consisting of 14 songs, titled Asange. And Asange, no Sange, yeah, sorry, no Sange, ligama kamakhe. Apparently she's late, ne? Or she's still alive. Since I check, we are not
Fact
quite
check.
sure there, yeah. But yeah, man, she's no more, ne?
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a beautiful
Condolences.
project. Us Java is one of the features there with Lento, Ushwi Mantombazane. If you don't know Ushwi Mantombazane, for the young ones, yeah. When he's alone, he's Ushwi Mantombazane. As a group, Ushwi Nomtekala. Yeah,
Nice,
another
nice.
individual. So yeah, man. I think another thing guys, if you want to be part of the show or you feel like you can contribute in a way, send us an email. Don't DM us, Buffet, to please, because it will take time to
Respond.
to respond, because we are a team and sevens in there. Well,
Yeah.
don't DM me.
No, guys,
So
don't DM in.
if you want to be part of the crew, or you feel like you can help us in any way, send an email. The email is avela ngoku. Make sure you use it. Same applies if you want us to talk about your project. Please send us an email with a link your project yako, so that we can listen to your songs, and then if it's in Twempu,
We can put them
we
on.
can put them on. If it's weak Mtasekaya,
I got strict. Yeah.
uzobona
Siyamoyika
ngoske
pending.
zingaveli. And again, I don't be wrong. I feel like bro. I feel like we are a generation that is afraid to be brutally honest.
Facts. Everyone is very sensitive right now.
We
Yeah.
are a generation that is afraid to offend people.
I hear
And
you.
sometimes when you work with people like I am, this crew, you guys are brutally honest to me, and I know it's all love, because you are giving me
Comes
an
from a good
opportunity
place.
to grow.
Yeah.
Understand? Abanenge abafuniyo in my crew, ngaba bazothi, yeah, into insimple, ivalele. You understand? Dangerous, those ones. You understand? So associate yourself with abantu abazakuxelela and give you like the real reflection of what you are trying to do right now.
Yeah.
So don't associate on abantu abazaboost ego yakho and everything. Now you can offend me all you want.
You don't take it too hard.
Yeah, I don't
Guys,
take it too hard.
I
know
feel
it's
like
love.
you if you go around you're always offended, you're gonna be a very miserable person. Sometimes you mustn't take criticism as like hate. So you sometimes use the hate to motivate you as a
Yeah.
good thing. Like it pushes like people to do better.
Better.
Also,
So-
yeah.
Yeah, I was Glendo Isano like for some people, ne, I know approach and everything, but bro, zama u understand abantu babasuka phi. Now I think also the age plays a part. Now I'm thinking
Fair.
something old, bro.
Really?
I take kids to school. You understand? I take time to find ways to make more money. You understand? The only two things that I don't take is offense and
Oh my
other
God.
people's girlfriends and wives. You get what I mean? Speaking of girlfriends
Dude,
and wives,
before we get to the girlfriends and wives, I just want to give a shout out to a few people. The other people who are graduating this week. Well done, everybody. Yes, it's still grad season. So shout out to everybody who's been graduating. Well done, Betuna. Continue going to school. Going to school is a very important thing. And Gangogu, I have been seeing. I saw something this week. I know you know what I'm talking about.
Now we're going to go people's wives. We're like, but before you get,
We're in sync.
yeah.
We are in sync.
Let's
But
go.
apparently, Niba degrees, guys, we're taking things too far.
Mm,
Did you see it?
I saw it, bro.
Do you know what happened? Do you want to tell the people what happened?
Excuse.
I'll
So
pick it up.
for those who don't know, apparently I think I should read from. Thank you, bro. I
Okay.
think I should read from the actual post.
Yeah,
Can I
yeah.
do that quickly?
Yes. Quickly.
I give more close, Mara. I'll try.
You'll try.
For those.
I feel like you read closer better than I would.
Nene.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take that.
Take it.
Okay, so the actual post was Lona Betuna was a CPUT allegedly who was not supposed to graduate because they didn't pass kodwa waya kwi-graduation ceremony wafika was signer in as someone who was supposed to graduate that day. Xa efika omnye umntana esigner in as igama lakhe akavunyelwa ungena inside because city security sekengenile so akangena but lo waqhubeka yena yaqhubeka yena xa kubizwa amagama alamntana ungangenanga during the ceremony waphakama wanesibindi songena eqongeni wayothatha i-degree certificate somnye umntana nje omnye umntana ejikisiwe wagoduka isela eli le-degree imenemene eli lashiyeka lona liqhubeka lafota nabazali bakhe ephethe i-certificate esingenagama lakhe ke phofu kuthiwa waposta apha nathi ke some congratulator kanti no we so apparently lo muntu postele way is someone who was there naye.
Okay.
Because uthi sa-celebrate naye sathatha i-pictures kanti apparently inansi. How can this happen, bro? Like, can you take me through into yokubana like i-possibilities zoba lo muntu angapenetrate yenze lento eyenzayo?
I think iqala kuba nengqondo emdaka because how the hell would you think of doing something like that? Like, hayibo bethunas. Guys, have you gotten so corrupt that now we are stealing people's degrees? Last week, yoba no mona.
Yeah.
Guys, this is another level of umona. And also, like, what happened to like a protocol? Like following like proper protocol. How could something like this happen?
I mean, but I can understand security. I mean, nabo they are trying to keep the flow going. Abafuna ubamba abantu
and all that.
Abafuna ubamba abantu babonisa i-ID face i-ID yakho whatever the case is.
When you said I can understand, benzothi understand andoni?
Oh no, not kulo wemenemene. No. Yeah, yena lidudu clean his Thabo Baxter with degrees.
Woo! Simpaqile.
You understand? Bro, it's crazy. And you know what really going to funda le way what puzzled me into yokubana like isibindi singaka like what can motivate someone to even think of going there just to steal someone else's glory?
Cleanse your heart, bro.
You understand?
Cleanse your heart.
Please guys, don't associate yourself with abantu abazakufaka under pressure for you to end up, you know, doing such things, bro. Like, I mean, obviously ebefuna uba perfect uvele ngathi perfect ebantwini. That's why he ended up doing that.
But Kengoku, who are you trying to impress? Taking it so far that you take pictures with the parents or
I get it, the same parents are the same ones who are expecting you to
wait. So he told his parents.
Obvious, I'm sure. Yeah, you know. Analyze.
It's actually quite deep. It's so deep. Now, when the parents are like, we're so proud. Also, they spend so much money to come from wherever he's from to come and like celebrate this thing. As a parent also, how do you feel knowing that you've raised a man?
Yo.
You know what I mean?
I would be highly disappointed, bro.
Dude, like
highly disappointed.
I would give up.
But I don't want us to focus more on abazali balo.
No, they didn't. They didn't know.
I wanted us to focus more on abazali balo victim shame. You know, I'm sure on their way home. Like I'm like conversation ibinjani emotweni ba hayi nontombi kanti bujonge njani bungathanga ya graduate yabo ezazi
and all the effort from doing her hair, from doing the makeup, her excitement, her parents' excitement, all of that, like down the drain. Like not only did that person steal a degree of Nyumdana, he stole such a special and precious moment. Like, she didn't get her time on the stage to be celebrated. Like, he stole so much.
So imagine if it was her first, like
That's what I mean. Like,
because now, like you don't forget your first, bro. The look on your parents' faces and But anyways,
guys,
we hope
cleanse your
that
hearts.
the parents heal. Obviously, in the Facebook, like in terms of what actually happened, yeah, fika nakubo, so that banga think ba umntana wakhe, umntana abo akananyani. Speaking of abantu abangenanyani, apparently Mandisi allegedly the legendary
Our fave.
Let's quickly play a game. I'll guess your favorite Mandisi Jantjiesi song. I mean, be honest, bro. Now I'll guess.
I must guess yours.
You must guess mine, and then I'll guess yours as well. Let's go quickly. Be honest. Tandaz.
I hate the fact that you think you know me.
Big Papa.
I hate it so much. I hate it so much.
Big Papa. You know? It's the one.
It is, guys.
Okay, guess mine.
Yours, I think it's what's the name? Dimthana Novevuk. Is it that one?
It's one of them. Yeah.
I love it so much for myself. Oh my god.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now the reason why you say it because it gets okay, it's
What?
spot on.
Okay.
It's spot on.
I love
have to give
that.
it to you. Okay, well, let's quickly go through
What happened?
what happened. So allegedly, Umandisi Jantjiesi is accused of having an affair.
Hey, Betuna.
By a guy who Anda Njena, who
Okay.
posted on Facebook. Anda Njena is married to Oratile Martini.
Okay.
Anda Njena uyawafanda how Tashem into kubana his wife was sharing nudes, whole nudes, bro, to sending them to
Betuna.
Mandisi Jantjiesi. So when this whole thing was talked about, poison, what was your initial thought on the whole thing?
My heart broke. Like, my heart sank because, like, guys, like, for me, this touches home, but I won't get into that. Because, like, where is the loyalty? Like, there's so much stereotype, and you're proving the stereotype to be right about male artists and being unfaithful and all of that. Like, but shock us, do something new. Good, but school fees. Shock us, get as a guy. Do you know what I mean? Shock us, get as a guy. Dude, also, like, he really wants this thing to be a thing. So kind of supporting kind like down. But like, anyways, like, kind of shocking and does like, hi, not cheating, guys. Come on, like that's how I felt when I found out, and I'm really hoping that it's not true.
I was about to say the same thing.
I'm really
bro.
hoping that it's not true.
The moment I heard isn't that it was Ikona Isose who is
behind the scenes.
Yeah, no. He's like we are Bugeli podcast.
Oh, okay.
It's a shame.
Okay,
So she
okay.
broke the news to me. But Aibo, you guys spoke about Umandisi Jantjiesi show we cancel on your previous episode. This is what
happened.
Yeah, but kwenzeke soon. And I really hoped in Dogbana it's one of those where he's being targeted. It's not true.
I really hope so
It
too.
was an obsessed fan. Yeah, Tumela, he knows nothing about Jonge Londo. Yeah, but we still don't know if it's true or not. Allegedly, the whole thing is allegedly. But
and
that's
he's
how
quiet.
I
He hasn't said anything.
Yeah, he's quiet. So I was like,
Fair.
I'm honestly heartbroken as a fan because I know how he made me feel ngomculo wakhe and everything. But just to be quick, it also proved in Dogbana there are two ways esizohlukana ngazo nabantu esibathandayo. You understand? And one of them is being one of the fortunate people to bury your partner
Yeah.
Because the reason why I'm using the word fortunate is because
I hear
you get support from your family to
There's
do
people
zaba.
around.
The kids are taken care of after your partner is no
If
longer.
you're fortunate enough to have that support
System,
system.
now it's debatable, family.
yeah.
But my point is that it gives you
I
a
hear
fair
you.
ground to
I hear
quickly
you.
heal loser due to cancer, accidents, and everything like that. And then there's another one whereby your partner just simply falls out of love. That one is dangerous,
Fair.
yeah, well, because it comes
is.
with a lot of questions over inobalemchita unandoni le ndingenayo. You understand? Why would my person send nudes? Into le nayithethileyo, into le nto
It
mandisi.
creates so much ground for insecurities to come up.
I
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah.
You know, into le nto mandisanayo ndingenayo mna, which is in this case a beautiful voice. No man, you're right. Yeah, boy.
Guys, your fave is quite goofy. And imagine, like,
So, you understand? So abanye abantu, they even go to an extent yoba like bayoqhekeza savings zabo just to go out every weekend to prove ebantwini ku social media into yokubana I'm doing well without this person. Whereas the whole time you are putting a mask yoba ubone ngathi like you are. So that's
how you feel.
Yeah, that's how I felt about the whole thing. But like, it proves Londo Leyo, and as a Mandisi fan, I was like, I was so disappointed, bro. Apparently, ladies, uyithanda ichekiwe, uyithumele, usend into zakhe.
Moving on. Moving on. I think it's time for hot seat now.
Uyithanda. Okay, hot seat.
Hot seat moments. Do you want to start? Should I?
Yeah, you can start.
So, if you were watching from last week, you know we started playing this game called Hot Seat. Basically, I get to ask your fave questions, basically, so that you guys can get to know us better. He doesn't know the questions, and he's gonna do the same to me. I don't know his questions, so it's gonna be as authentic as possible. Yeah. So, my first question for you is, what's an overrated thing right now for you? What do you think is overrated right now? I feel like I know.
Overrated. There's a lot.
If you had to choose one or two.
Overrated. I think this whole thing, posting your partner with social media, I think it's really overrated.
You think that's overrated?
I mean, to some people, bruh, it's a deal breaker, man. Like you can even lose your soulmate just because you don't post them.
I hear where you're coming from, and as a sense that like on posting.
Yeah, I understand.
I got you.
And kwabanye ila tick ba yonza mchata because if limene
okay.
You understand?
I hear you, Shem. I hear your point.
It doesn't change like how we
you feel.
view partners and how we feel. Don't. Some people can be like extremely loving. I think I post because they are trying to protect. I'm not making excuses for other niggas. There are many reasons, obviously, and relationships are fun.
Yeah, but for you talk about you.
Yeah, for now, I think it's like pressure. You have to.
So you feel like if we're together and I have a problem with you not posting me, and then I start questioning your love as to like why aren't you publicizing that we're together? Yeah. Or like you're my partner.
Yeah, because they go to an extent whereby they ignore everything that I do for when that makes you happy on a daily, and then they focus on this one thing.
Whereas, so basically, are you in this for likes, social media to
I'll
be
marry
seen?
you in front of your family,
and then we can publicize
then
it.
There will be proper pictures. We'll hire someone to take pictures.
So a deal breaker for you.
No, I feel like it's overrated.
Okay.
It shouldn't be a deal
Okay.
breaker.
I
Some,
hear you.
For some
I hear
people,
you.
it is.
I hear you.
Yeah, that's
I
my
got you.
chat.
I hear you. Next question, are you going to ask me?
I thought you want to shoot two and then
I can.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, let's shoot one time and then.
Okay. Second question is, what's a trend you think needs to die immediately?
Trend. I'm not sure if it's a trend, but like, here's with the skinny jean, bro. I will come on.
You know that.
Oh, that's Tosa baby, skinny jean.
No, I need you to focus right now. I love you so much because yes,
Hayi bo.
Lethuda ufike ke nezijini zifakwe free jean. Free. That is a wax.
Kabuza. Hayibo iphi inyama? Ari dog kichi star. Kichi star lo.
Sana umuvula ifreezer sana umuntu wakho ufaka ijini. Skinny jean efreezing. I am Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Yinale yini? Yeah. I completely 100% agree with this one. Do you see how much it rage baits me? I hate it so much. Hate down. Guys, leave skinny jeans alone.
Bruh,
As a
please,
man, leave it alone.
Yeah. Ish. Okay.
Thanks. Yo, because bad.
Okay. My turn. Okay, let me quickly
get the question. Well,
okay.
Yeah.
What's one thing you would do if you knew you wouldn't get judged?
What's one thing I would do if I was...
If you knew you wouldn't get judged. Singathi hayibo yoga. Hayibo.
Hey, Sana, that's tough. You know, if you asked me this question a couple of months ago, I would have had an answer. But right now, my answer is I don't care what y'all think, dude. Like, my people-pleasing days are over. I do what I want, where I want. The only person who can judge me right now is... Yeah, that's how I feel like. But if I had to answer this question a couple of months ago, what I wouldn't do if I wasn't worried about getting judged, I'd say like literally being in front of the camera. I would, because right now I feel like I'm putting myself out for people to criticize me. So I'm not that person anymore. So that's how I'd say like, bah. Yeah.
Yeah, even your class teachers, teachers are
yeah. So I think
Okay.
That's that.
What's something everyone loves that you just don't get?
Don't get me started, but here's another one. There's two. Can I mention two?
Yeah, let's go.
Guys. Hate. But no, like seriously.
When I was like, "Hibo."
It's a fact.
Sure.
It's a fact. I have people who love Acha and be like, "Hey, Sana, I love you, Acha down, but hey,
roll on."
Hey. So guys, again, I know there's so many people who are gonna be like, no. I don't care. Yeah. I don't care. And also, guys, this thing of putting sugar in umphagoqo. Don't get it.
I add salt. I agree.
It's not a dessert. It's not a dessert. It's not a dessert. Let that thing go straight away and never bring it back up. Yes, that's that.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the end of that. Oh,
that was hot seat. It's like skinny jean. Oh yeah, I'm guessing that skinny jean. Like
that was
hate.
That was probably. I didn't expect to love this.
I'm a funny person.
Hot seat is supposed to be
hot seat. But guys, if you want to ask us questions and put us on the hot seat, put them on the comment section below. We will answer them. Yeah, we will answer them.
Let's go to Street Pulse.
Let's go.
Yes, whereby we applaud great things that artists as a Cape Town, all the Eastern Cape,
all over the world.
as a grand.
Yeah.
So Umido RSA, if you don't know Umido RSA, he has a song with Ukafi. Kasa Professor Eti Uzkona. Tombi Manzandong, for those who don't know. So he signed with Asanda Empires.
Let's go.
Which is a record label that is
Xhosa.
based at Johannesburg. It basically focuses on young Xhosa rappers from Cape Town and the Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
Yaba Polisha, it's giving them proper support that they need. For this thing of ours that we love so much, which is music.
Yes.
You understand? So big shout out to
Umido
RSA.
Yes, shout out.
Do you
Umido.
think this is a smart move, Poison?
Him being on the record?
Record
label.
Asanda
Absolutely. I feel like the Xhosa Nation has something of its own. Like exclusively to them. I get almost Durban Zulu people have Ikom and all of that. Like Indenland, Daka, DJ Tira.
Yeah, you go.
Yeah, that okay. I think it's a great move. Honestly, let's continue. I think you're right, Ilandio, but sometimes certain things have things for themselves, like things of their own. Even like Limpopo has Likompo and all of that. I feel like that is amazing. I want my cards and all of that. Shout out to y'all. I think it's a proper thing.
Yeah.
I genuinely do. You?
No, I totally agree now. I just hope in Dokbana, Asanda Empires gives them, the creative freedom that they want. You understand? Because we really relate to the songs.
We do.
More especially the dimension was Manzandong. Umido RSA talks about a girl that's coming from the Eastern Cape, coming to Cape Town for greener pastures and food and everything. But to pela a bit and say again, those are stories that hit home. Says Tanda. I just hope because the record label is at Johannesburg, they don't let that cloud whatever.
I hear you. Keep it our own. Keep it original. Yes. Lovely stuff.
Trying to do.
Yes.
You understand? So yeah, man. Big shout out to Siabulela. I feel like Xhosa Wave is in a great platform.
Yeah.
It's a perfect time for the ball. If ever I wasn't doing Xhosa Wave Goku, then I was jealous in Dokbana.
You're not part of it.
I'm not part of it.
I hear that.
Because it's getting the recognition
that
it deserves.
With that,
so yeah.
I funny. Hi. What? What? This guy, I don't know his auntie, but anyways, I funny. He recently released a remix after so long. It's great, it's dope, but like, what took you so long?
Hi, boo.
What?
Because what took you so long, bro?
13 years.
Yo, that's how long it.
Yo.
Yeah, apparently 13 years. Ingoma exists our shake and then in 2023
yes
then he dropped an album and still included Shake Klana. So he's been milking this cow
he has
for the longest time.
He really has,
and again obviously it's your music. I find it's one of the people that are shining the light on the new wave, and we appreciate that. But I mean, come on, bro, you can be more creative now.
He really can. But I think also another reason that people are liking the song so much, or it's getting so much like what you call cred or whatnot. Like what we were saying in the previous episodes of TikTok pushing it, it's trendy and all of that. People are not mad about it because it's a vibe, and they've forgotten that. But
it is.
You know what I mean?
And probably immaturity abantu abayivayipelayo la ngoma, and this is what's going to confuse. I find the song is doing well. Immaturity abantu abayivayipelayo ngala ngoma ngabantu who were born
now recently. Yeah, got you.
Abangayazi uba like kuthi thina, and I think that's where the disconnect is between us abantu abadala nama-2K. Ama-2K, they see these songs and they think into yokubana zifresh kubo kanti thina we know the originals.
Yeah.
I'm not saying a remix is bad, but
But
you
it shouldn't take. You
ta-
can't milk it for so long, and you can't take so long.
And I feel
to,
like it's a waste
yeah.
of like features. You understand? These kids are hot right now. Okay, they are hot right now. You understand? Whose idea was it to say, okay, different features I have his contact, I can have him on a song. Different features I can have him on a song. So what song can I have him on? And then Ati, let's do Shake. Whose idea was it? Shake is
who
an
approved-
old song.
and who approved it?
Lanansika. Shake is an old song, bro.
I know it is.
Give those kids like something. At least I feel like if
Yeah.
Okasa who
Yeah.
go to these OGs and say, Mahrotman 3 months cup, let's do a remix.
Okay.
Ka Zululam. Uzulungela. You understand? Funeka ibe ngabo abayi-modernize la ngoma. Ingabi 3 months cup ezawuthi, hey, let's do a remix yeZululam. Abanye abantwana, they don't even know Zululam. You understand?
I hear you.
Uthi we have that respect and love for la ngoma because of how it made us feel.
Yeah.
It tackled a lot of issues that we were going through. Ngela xesha.
Xesha.
Now, siyashake in 2026 again.
Well,
Because of the
and
shaking,
no, I'm at 2000 and Shake It Down. They're eating that song up on TikTok. They really
I
are.
feel like I finally could have. Obviously, Mhlambe, he was starting a relationship now. Let's hope. That was the thing.
But
there are
I hear what
there are
you're
many
saying,
ways
bro.
we could have. Yeah, there are many ways we could have.
I really
approached
hear
this
what
whole
you're saying.
thing,
I feel
bro.
like
I can't take a hot artist Ngoku and ask him to remix Ingoma Yami at 20.
I hear
What
that.
party?
I feel like sorry, I feel like it's quite it's laziness as well. Like, come up with something else. We
Do you
love
think
you.
he's desperate for a hot comeback?
I could see it as that. I wouldn't say desperate, but like he is using it as a comeback as well. Because it worked. So he's like, it worked before, we can work again.
Yeah.
And it is working. Fortunately for him, it is working. People are eating the song up. But like going back to Landioba, where's the creativity in it? Like, come on, dude. We know what you're capable
We
of.
do. That's
really do.
That's the whole chat I was trying to come up
Yeah.
with, is that we know that he's a great artist, we know that he's creative, so we don't understand what he's trying to do now. Yoba as vusa ingoma zakudala as polish dust and then afake artist ezintsha is fresh.
As polished dust. That's so
Come on,
funny.
bro. I mean, he has a lot in his
Yeah, I
vault.
hear
I know
you.
for a fact he has a lot in his vault. We appreciate what he did for Xhosa Wave.
Yeah,
he
shout out
carried
to
it
him.
and Jordan for this far and whatever. Mara,
Sana, I have
at least the song is not AI.
I was getting there actually because last week you gave a shout out to
Credo V. Daniels.
Yeah, Credo V Daniels with guys that album is
The album is for those asuzumane sinibalisela into ezenza ku-episode edlulileyo guys. Mfuna nimane niyozibukelela ngokweni, please.
like, comment, share, subscribe
Please,
to all the good
Sankela.
stuff.
In the previous episode, I plugged the crew and whoever
Yeah.
was watching.
And you did an amazing plug. I listened to it.
So
It's so
excited, bro.
crisp. But Kengo, you also mentioned that like you'd be a bit disappointed if he used any bit of AI.
And again,
And Kengo, we found out
we
that.
found out. Well,
We find out Tile that he did.
we don't know the percentage of AI that was used. You understand? But there was AI detected there. You
But can
understand?
I ask you a question? If you seen it at the level as the album is, like it's so perfect, it's great, it's amazing, it's crème de la crème. Exactly. Hi. It's perfect. Is it such a bad thing though that he used it to perfect his masterpiece? That he used AI? Like, if AI is gonna make it nice and get you speaking like this, why not use it?
First of all, Poison. Nice hot or a press king. I don't know which
Then the culture.
culture. I will never have respect for anyone who uses AI in their music. If you are going to call yourself an artist and you want us to praise you by just sitting in front of your computer, unxibe utrunk wakho, utyuna ndosi, and do ingoma and you expect us to
Yeah.
bro. Honestly, I don't have any respect for those 7 AI to make their
no.
music. And abanye abantu they might argue into yokubana mara Prince there was auto-tune first and then Lil Wayne they didn't accept him as a rapper because of auto-tune. T-Pain came in, they didn't accept him as a singer because he's using auto-tune. Yes, we get that, it's fine, fair, sharp. Mara auto-tune is a pitch corrector. He only corrects if vocals is
but
off
some
key.
people take it too far.
But you can never be great, Yonga. AI. You can be trash while you are using AI. There are many artists auto-tune.
Auto-tune.
There are many artists as auto-tune, but they don't reach status so Lil Wayne, they don't reach status so Nancy. Because of, they are not born for Lando. They are just using auto-tune to sound relevant, whatever the case is. You understand? I feel like apps as Farano Suno, they are giving a crown to people that are not deserving it. You understand? It gets deeper because for him, I watched a podcast Kalizo where he was explaining in Dogbana when he told, for those who don't know Lizzo, she's a rapper, talented American rapper / pop R&B singer.
Lizzo.
She's
Shout out
great.
to her. She's
Understand?
amazing.
Lizzo, when she told her friends, I'm going to study umculo. Her friends were like, study umculo.
And she can play the flute.
She's multi-talented. Study umculo and be great. Great like who? Great like Beyonce. Uyadlala. And guess who was sitting at the front row when she received her first Grammy?
Beyonce.
You understand? Uti, after that, right? She has always been an active artist, performing live, with concert, with festivals and everything before she went mainstream. But when she signed to a record label, that's when she dropped an album that won her a Grammy. After Yonke Lando Leana, whoever was playing a guitar, whoever was playing drums with album yake, that person was able to buy a house, support their families in many ways that they didn't expect. Supporter. Some of them even got married to a long life partners. Understand? So it changed Ubomi Babo. And that's what apps as Farano Suno are taking away from people. As our royalties is baligile for Abanyaman because there's a percentage of Ifumanayo when you do a beat, percentage of Ifumanayo when you play foot, we up small. Understand? And now a kid who's from Sentini is just gonna sit in front of your laptop and maneuver and expect to ndokubana sim respect and expecting ndokubana a compete ne artists as fana no Casper Small okanye o Drake kodwa yena uve athi kwi app ndokubana sample I beat ka Drake hotline bling and make it with trap and you expect us to respect you kulona nje. It's unfair. Yeah. Okay, ndisaza kulento ka Crego Daniels askis.
Yeah.
Crego Daniels une album ayikuplay and then Ungafa is one of the songs. Ungafa naye uCrego Daniels uthathe kula ngoma ka Shino Mtekhala. Ngafa ngafela ubaba.
Yeah.
And then he add his own flavor and don't AI. So it's not fair, bro. It's honestly
I hear you, bro, and you're
sorry if I got a little bit emotional there.
It's okay, we forgive you. I hear you, and all the things you're saying are valid, but like to play devil's advocate here, if it's working, why not use it? Do you know what I mean? It's working. He came up with a beautiful body of work with the help of AI, right? Let's say he used 2% of the AI or whatnot. It would be very sad if it was like the whole thing is AI. That's where I feel like, okay, now we can start being like, okay, he's taking a piss. You know?
Okay, had to buy a beat from
I hear you,
overseas,
but also you
and
must
then he called
listen.
He called
listen,
Stana, and then they gave us
listen.
Now
listen.
a young kid, no.
Listen,
Okay,
listen
it's
to
fine,
me.
that's
Listen to me. Listen, I hear you there.
And then
but
these
think
people
about
are going to compete with Okabs and the small. Bro, even in radio stations, I plead, Buffett, please. This none of any of these songs should never be on high rotation. And sugar. They are eating in the same bowl as Ukabza the Small. That time Ukabza the Small uvuse extra happy mhlawumbe. What extra happy? Ngishapele di drums da. Extra happy had sleepless nights, drums, and then those
Abila and all of that.
You understand?
I hear you, but what I'm trying to say to you is that like we are living in the world. No. Don't get me wrong there. I agree with what my bro is saying there, 100%. But I'm just saying that like also we're living in a world that's modernizing every single day. Every single day. AI is taking over. Even like AI is being used in like universities now. Lecturers and all of that. It's taking up space everywhere. Like that's what I'm trying to say to you. I think but if it's what's happening, it's what's happening. We can't control it. And it's very sad. It's very sad that like the people who actually put in the hard work are getting the same clapping of hands as the person who used AI. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. I feel you.
Yeah.
AI I'm not completely against it, but I feel like AI should be something that is considered. That's the thing I cure cancer and don't. But when it comes to art, it's killing the artistry, bro.
I hear that. Absolutely.
Artistry. There's already a high competition with artists already. Every kid nalo ibukelele podcast, chances are une studio kwakhe endlini.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Where he wakes up go to when he finds the idea and contribute tintin. That's already competition for Opera Child, D Koala.
And all of those the grades. Yeah.
So okay, tough competition. You understand? Now imagine if someone who knows nothing about music but who can operate an app like Suno to be better than someone who goes out rainy days,
sleepless nights,
and then long does of manner the same level of appreciation. Put radio station, no comes at the small and Drake.
I hear that. It is unfair. Zabo. Facts. But so it's AI. But no BT. But no BET AI. Yeah.
Now I've been in the studio, bro.
I know.
To take something and
from nothing.
From nothing and make it something that was
yeah.
Did I just do that?
Am I capable of this?
Am I capable of doing
that?
Yeah.
I hear you.
No, they shouldn't do that to us, bro.
I hear you. Hey, Sana, this topic got you heated like the skinny jeans. No, like if we continued with the skinny jean chat, this is how it's gonna be because I'm very passionate against the skinny jeans. Fine. Oh, Betuna, apelile. Say now. Peli like skinny jean goes something.
So
shake it up. No, like you doing guys. Yes.
Usmamane has beef no Kill Brady.
About what?
I don't know how it started, bro. I'll be lying, but it's something that I just picked up now, and I thought it would be fair if I talk about it because Usmamane just dropped a reply. You understand? But they are both trying to expose each other in terms of privileged.
Oh.
And then you don't know nothing about the streets that you are talking about.
Yeah.
Don't. Yeah, but because in Kill Brady's diss track, why are you mad at me when your parents zako didn't clock in? Meaning they didn't do enough to provide for Wena. So why are you hating on me?
Why are you hating on me? Yeah. Why is everyone beefing? Everyone is beefing. Hey, good Twitters, yabila.
And then he used hook Ashoma Jose, Huko Nambia,
I know it. Yeah.
As a clap back. So one of the key points he mentioned, Pana, we are Kill Brady, bro. How can you brag about i-privileges zakho ukhule nge-scrambled eggs while mna ndikhule nge-maize yabo
Oh,
but
bethuna.
ndiyathanda uhlobo ayifake ngalo la usebenzise i-legend umenzi ngubani
Okay.
Menzi Ngubane.
Yes, the
Yeah.
actor,
uthi kum
the late actor.
uthi kum
Condolences.
I don't care what you think about me but yonke lento kum yisibusiso like Menzi
I
Ngubane.
hear you. Oh, that was smart. That was smart. That was so smart.
Yeah, usibusiso generation actor real
R.I.P.
name is he late?
Yes.
Yo, ask
Where have you been?
yo akakhuza breaks cha uthi hayibo
Hey, I was another country. I think it was 4 years ago. When was it?
Yeah.
When did he pass? I don't know.
RIP
Tell-
Kothi Yampa. Woo!
Oh, son, I was so
Mazwi.
heartbroken. He was my favorite.
Yeah, same here.
Umyeni kaNdawumbi.
Mm.
Yeah, so he's
So
late.
so yeah, and then he continues ke he flows nicely man uSimamani. It's a nice song. Uthi imagine a boy who grew up in Sandton telling me into yokubana I'm not safe in eDubani. Kulalani kaMenzi Ngubane.
Sibusiso.
Yeah, and
I hear it.
If ilandelisa ngaleyo ba imagine a boy who grew up his whole life as Sandton peeling living softly.
He has no
even
chance.
peeling, yeah.
Peeling. Hey, son.
Sikhuwa.
I was here.
Lega Twitter.
Naledi M, my ultimate fave is yay, umkhoqa phansi speedster sana.
Oh,
did you see it?
it?
Hey Sana, hey, it's hot there. But also DJ Speedster did like it's really not that deep because he responded to a clip. For those of you who don't know, Una Lady M is on one of Mike G's podcasts called Spreading Humors.
Yeah.
With
New Gen.
yes, not New Gen.
Like
I hear you. Yes. She's part of that. So I think it's her second week that she was on the show, and Lucas Raps was a guest there.
Sure.
And then Una Lady was basically saying rappers zalapha South Africa should do a verses. And then she was like, Ninga include those Speedster and all of that. She wasn't saying anything to diss him.
Yeah.
And then one of the hosts, the co-host was like, but Speedster's not a rapper. Yeah, well, he's a DJ. He's a DJ and he's a producer and all of that. So he don't be offending a lot.
Nothing.
So why is he like trolling?
So they're going back and forth.
They're going back and forth based on that. I'm just saying, like, he needs to chill. And also, he's been fighting everyone on
yeah, apparently the thing with
Nasty C, Blackie.
Okay, sorry. Katie.
Hey, sing a shout, Wasana. Hey, sorry.
So, yeah, he's beefing. He's been
but
on
he
the news too
apologized.
much.
Apparently, he apologized for that. But like, also, why is he beefing with everyone? Maga focus ku Shamis and
ucho ke unansike
But-
le
Nale-
ntombazana bhifana
Nale-
uthi DJs your age are playing Coachella
Yes.
when you are busy here.
Hey, sana. Maga ngilungise because una lady ukhiphe ama receipt ba Speedster is being unfaithful allegedly to his partner Ushamiso. So yeah.
She's one of the is qwai.
Ah,
I mean amabhife but ke imisebenzi guys masingagezelani ngemisebenzi man because we are also in the same industry.
no, like I feel like unguphuma silwe because bingekho into elusayo phaya.
Yeah.
She didn't say anything bad about him. She just said she mustn't be included in the verses when South African rappers have verses and stuff like that. So
Well,
yes.
okay, speaking of imisebenzi yabashisa abantwana i-pepper spray eClona skisi
What happened?
ngohlobo.
At
So-
some stadium.
eClone Stadium, yeah, there was the can we go on?
I saw the like call center and all of that.
Yeah,
but
so these call center companies they ask people to come and submit a CV
Waste.
or they are looking for thousands and
I have
thousands of
beef with them.
employees to hire, and so Hey, bro, ndingekayigqibeleni uzayithetha. I feel like the episode sidlule kuwe
Yeah.
but because we spoke about uma ndisijantisi
Jantis-
kuyinantsika
Previous episode.
episode part of event epostiweyo and then boom.
Now, when we spoke about youth unemployment and all of that,
And then
look now,
kwenzeka le
Salento.
I also crossed fingers into yokubana ucred of
And then- there's something-
and then boom.
When he did, and now you found out. It's like I feel like mhlawumbe we jinx things,
Ne?
but I think it's fine.
nkulunkulu
It's
ngifuna
fine.
iposh.
Hey,
Yadala. You understand? Okay,
Yes.
so these call center companies, they called people to come and submit CVs zabo. Nyanke, the youth came through,
Aye.
and it was a lot, bruh. Yo.
guys, I feel like
Means
they
abantu aba-
wasted people's time and money because think about it. Those people went there being hopeful, only for them not to be even
Versus
attended
afumana
and all of that. Like abanye had to borrow imali zoprint
Yeah,
CV,
abamama
borrow
ndiya.
imali yoba mabakhwele buy athlone only to be disappointed. What about the internet? Use the internet. Masifake ni why bengazihoyi i-CVs zabo. Open
unothile,
something.
mfowethu.
Don't an employment site or whatnot. Nifake ipost phana. Abantu are always looking for jobs, guys. Like lento yoba kufuneka sibize rally, yoba siyobhalisa siprint guys.
Even ngondiyibona la way I was like, hayibo, sesisondelena elections because these are the same stance they pull
dude.
when they want to kokotela the votes and everything allegedly.
Allegedly.
Yeah, ndingangena engxakini. So now to control chaos, I'm assuming security had to spray gun yabo abantu and then abantu batsarhwa yonke la way and stuff. So it wasn't something that is good to see. It proved inansika situation in South Africa sidila kuyo, which is
Yeah.
unemployment. Tina, previous episode we touched on only we graduation,
Yeah.
we graduates, not knowing ukubana sawalibala ababe gap years,
and all of that.
and all of that, and all
Those
of
who are
that.
unemployed and
Yeah.
all of that.
So yeah, man, it was really
It's really
sad.
sad.
To see,
I
man.
think it was like in Ngcabukisile. Well, in Ngcabukisile, I was touched about it because I can just, like I said, like I can just imagine Umdo who has nothing, and they were going there hopeful that like something is going to happen.
And I go yonke
them.
lanto izawunika excuse nabadamthura kudala engaphangeli umuntu ngamo phangela mthura
Hey, Abapanda.
uzaba la kanto yokuba habo lethu yabona nje bafaka izibreakana abantu phansi bophangela
No, they're wasting people's time.
ikhona imisebenzi out there. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Just to quickly wrap it up.
Yes.
I feel like Xhosa Wave is in a beautiful space.
Yes.
I think we owe it to the kids to support them. The best advice you can ever give umuntu ozama ukwenza umculo nowadays is that urep ngelwimi lakho. And I'm so happy that there are record labels as far no Asanda Empires who are giving these boys an
They're doing a good
opportunity,
thing, yeah.
polishing them and everything to make them look nice so that they can be presentable and give hope to aba bancinci abasezayo behind them.
Agreed.
Understand? So yeah, man. Realibuwa. Any parting words?
Yes, guys. Guys, for those who are watching last week, we did apologize for our sound. We did have some technical difficulties. All of you, Gqirhas, all of you, I rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
Sebalu.
I rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
Oh,
Those of you are who are coming for this podcast. Hey, we're gonna drop week by week, whether you like it or not.
Or not.
We have 100 people who are on our side. So yeah, it won't work. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. Yeah, those are my parting words.
Sure,
but
sure.
anyways, guys, please continue to show us love, like, comment, share, subscribe. Give them time to actually subscribe. We're gonna give you like 2 seconds. 1, 2. They've done it. Do you think they've done it? Yeah.
Okay, sure, they've done
But
it.
they've done it.
Ubuhleleke chaps because Jabulo Teddy Wezaza ne Kacha. Thank you so much for showing us love. Please enjoy yourself. I hope you enjoyed this podcast. I hope we made you laugh, even if it's a small.
Little nyana.
Nyana,
No, we're actually
gigi.
funny.
You understand?
And people love us.
So Sister Zoklondo yoba funny, bro. Do you think
Yeah.
Burkayes can make a great comedian? That nigga is funny, bro. Do you think he can make it? I think
He's hilarious.
Bro.
I know Mercedes Yavala, but haha, to you. He dropped a video on his socials where he was where he was reacting to one of MT's songs and he was crying. I found that so hilarious,
yeah,
dude.
I saw.
Like,
Mthembeni said that.
Mthembeni, hella, Joe, siyakha.
There's a guy, please give him love. There's a guy
Yes.
all the way to M.
Yes.
He takes a lot of his
yes,
videos and then
I-
us clip and then
I act it out.
out.
Guys,
Yeah.
as a comedian, yes, but do you think he'd survive like stand up? Because stand up,
Yeah, that's the question I wanted to ask you, but it's
Okay.
fine. We still go
Okay.
I think he would have to make a few adjustments because as a stand-up comedian, you have to like have a slow build up towards the punchline because the time is long, an hour or 45 minutes. Understand?
He's naturally funny.
He is. He could make a great comedian. Glendo Yokbana, he already has that attitude. Yoba, I don't give a fuck what you think about me.
And
I'm
he
still
really
going to
does.
say what I want to say and you're going to laugh.
Joga.
I don't care if you think I'm a clown.
Dude,
He has that.
he doesn't care about what other people have to say. He
Yeah,
was
yeah.
like, because for the longest time, I don't know if I should mention this, but hey, man, kill me if you have to.
Yeah.
He was basically saying to like people, hey, I'm a 35-year-old nigga and I smoke weed. I don't care what y'all think. That's meant fish and I don't know. Like, I don't care about y'all. But anyways, we love him.
We love you
down.
so much.
We love
Yeah,
you,
yeah,
dude.
yeah. We
Like,
love you
and
so
he
much.
shows us love as well.
Yeah,
He's
we love
a
you
cool
so much.
person because he's subscribed and he likes
He
us.
likes us.
So shout out to you,
PKY,
Pukayesu.
lega Pukayesu in the man. PKY.
Yes.
Yeah, Pukayesu. You understand? My nigga
Oh,
PKY.
nice.
You should consider doing stand-up comedy, bro. Okay, sure, say vala ke ngoku shapuze tiria lebuwa. Thank you.
Shout out. Hey, W episode down. Well done, my nigga. We're killing it. Hey, oh, Vaseline.
Kanjani?
Oh, man. Hey, man. Next.
With the Cool People podcast, Vaseline, with you through happy times and sad times. We are your shoulder. Vaseline, lean.
I hate you so much. You're cancel this guy.
your shoulder. Vaseline, lean.
I hate this guy. Simi, come on. I'm bored. Yes, whatever.